Okay, I just took it out of the freezer and I put it under hot water for 15 seconds. Gonna open it. What do I do? How do I put this? Eh? Huh? Did I break something? Am I doing this right? I don't know if I'm doing this right, maybe. Okay. It feels so like scary. Oh, this is like a, you know, when you're at a fun fair or something, they have to lock you in and they just go and they like, I don't know what I'm talking about. I forgot what I'm supposed to do. It's on, yeah. And then I'm coming back. This is how it looks. I'm gonna press Lite ice cream. How do I do this? How do I do this? Are you supposed to press it like from here? Install? What are you talking about? What's going on? Found out I need to check if the paddle is in properly. Okay, I'm coming back. Oh! I put the paddle. Alright, let me try this again. Alright. Just press the bottom. And then put it back in and press mixing button. Mix. Let's see how it looks now. I don't know if I'm turning the lid thing properly. Oh! Let me try it. It's proper ice creamy! Oh my goodness! Oh my. Wow, 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 wow. Practice makes perfect, I guess, because it's my first time, so I found it very hard. But look at the texture. Let me take it out of this thing. The only thing as well I have to say is this part does get dirty too. So you have to wash like everything. But it's so cool. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at how the texture. I can't even speak. Look at the texture. The texture is perfect. The texture is even better than actual ice cream, like shop bought. I'm impressed. Look at the texture. This is just bananas. I'm just going to clean it. Use some anti-bac. Oh, it's my new baby. It keeps its texture for a long time. It takes long to melt. You know, wow, look at the texture still. Oh my God, it's good, yo. Hey!